guys, today I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of my work so far. So you've seen my house in one of my last videos, but I've added like a fountain. I've made a roller coaster, a graveyard for people who die. I've also made this like tree house thing with some fireworks. Why is it not working? Oh, I'm in spectator. I've got a little house. Then over here, I've got a treasure room with all of my treasures. And that's about it. Just made a couple of builds. Oh, don't mind that. I was trying to build something, but it didn't go as planned. Okay. Hope you like my server, what I made. Bye.